One fruit can boost your heart, your skin, and your brain, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Coconut is more than just a tropical treat. It's packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and natural minerals that your body loves. But like everything, it also has a few downsides you should know. Let's break it all down. Rich in healthy fats. Coconut is well known for its healthy fat content, particularly medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike many other fats, MCTs are absorbed quickly and converted into energy rather than being stored in the body. These healthy fats may help improve brain function, increase energy levels, and keep you feeling full for longer, which can help reduce overeating. However, because coconut is also high in calories, it is best enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Boosts heart health. Some studies show that coconut can raise good cholesterol, known as HDL. This helps balance your overall cholesterol levels. However, it also contains saturated fat, so moderation is key if you have heart concerns. Supports immunity. Coconut contains lauric acid, a unique type of saturated fat that is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. When your body digests lauric acid, it converts it into a compound called monolaurin, which may help fight certain harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This natural process may support your body's immune defenses and help reduce the risk of some infections. In addition to lauric acid, coconut also contains small amounts of antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. While coconut can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet and may contribute to better immune function, more high-quality human studies are needed to fully confirm its long-term immune-boosting effects. Great for skin and hair. Coconut oil is widely used in beauty routines. It moisturizes dry skin, reduces frizz in hair, and may even help soothe minor skin irritations. Many people apply it directly for a natural glow. Aids digestion. The fiber in coconut meat supports healthy digestion. It helps food move smoothly through your gut and may reduce bloating. Coconut water also keeps you hydrated and replenishes electrolytes. Good source of nutrients. Coconuts contain manganese, copper, iron, and selenium. These minerals support bone health, energy production, and protect your cells from damage. Side effects to watch. Coconut is high in calories and saturated fat, so eating too much may lead to weight gain or raised cholesterol in some people. Those with nut allergies should also be cautious, as coconut can sometimes trigger reactions. Coconut water in excess may cause an electrolyte imbalance too. So there you have it. Coconut is a powerhouse fruit with real benefits, but balance is everything. Enjoy it in moderation, and enjoy the goodness it brings. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.